The 8 parts of speech. These are the 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. What are the meaning of these? Noun is a part of speech that names a person, place, thing, idea, action, or quality. All nouns can be classified into two groups, either common noun or proper noun. Example: Harry threw the stale cucumber sandwich in the trash can and fantasized about a Big Mac dripping with special sauce. The word sandwich is the common noun, while the Big Mac is the proper noun. Pronoun are used in place of a noun that has already been mentioned or that is already known, often to avoid repeating the noun. Example: Kate was tired, so she went to bed. The word she is the pronoun. Verb that describes an action or occurrence or indicates a state of being. Example: I jumped over the cat. The word jump is the verb. Adjective a word or phrase naming an attribute added to or grammatically related to a noun or pronoun to modify or describe it. Example: It's a wooden table. The word wooden is an adjective. Adverb a word or phrase that modifies or qualifies an adjective, verb, or other adverb, or a word group expressing a relation of place, time, circumstance, manner, cause, degree, etc. Example: He ran quickly. The word quickly is the adverb. Preposition are the words that indicate location. Usually, prepositions show this location in the physical world. Example: The eagle soared above the clouds. The word above is the preposition. Conjunction a word used to connect clauses or sentences or to coordinate words in the same clause. Example: Most children likes cookies and milk. The word and is the conjunction. Interjection is a word used to express an emotion or sentiment on the part of the speaker. Example: Congrats! You finally got your master's degree. The word congrats is the interjection. The 8 parts of speech. Thank you for watching.